Let's take a look at the features of PO LoopSync. The main thing this app does is play audio loops in time with your pocket operator device. It does this by sending a special sync pulse to your pocket operator on the left channel. If I press play now, you can hear the pulse as a clicking sound. To get the sync working, you're going to need a stereo male-to-male 2.5mm TRS audio cable. These cables are common and you can get one from a service station or a supermarket or a specialist store for electronics and office supplies. The main thing to make sure is that it has a stereo tip like this with 3 metal bands. To make the sync work, plug one end into your phone running PO LoopSync and then turn the volume on your phone all the way up. It's important to turn the volume up after you've plugged the cable in because the operating system can change the volume when you plug it in and out. Some phones have a battery saving mode which will mess with the volume and prevent sync from working. You can turn this mode off in the phone's power settings. Search for battery saving in the phone settings to do that. Now plug the other end of the cable into the left-hand input of your pocket operator. Set sync mode on your pocket operator SY4. You can do that by holding down the top right button and pressing the BPM button to cycle through the sync modes. You can see the different sync modes on the screen. Once you have it on SY4, the clicking sound will disappear because it's interpreting the click. If you want to chain multiple pocket operators together, you can select SY5 instead to pass the sync signal through. Once you've got everything set up, you can go ahead and press play on the PO LoopSync and the built-in loop will start playing. If you don't hear anything or the loops are too quiet, make sure you've turned the volume all the way up on your phone. You can turn the volume on your pocket operator by holding down BPM and pressing the level you'd like. 12 is a good level to start at. Now let's try the pocket operator sync. Press play on your pocket operator at the start of the loop. Your pocket operator will now play the pattern you've selected in lockstep with the loops. You can unmute and solo loops on the phone to introduce new elements. You can also set the volume of individual loops by selecting the loop number and tapping the volume button to cycle through different volumes. If you want to add your own loop, tap through the loop numbers until you find a free slot, and then press the plus button in the top left corner. You'll need to copy loops onto your device before you can load them into the app. In the file menu, you can tap New to create a new song, or import or export songs to share them with a friend or back them up. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a great time playing audio loops in sync with your pocket operator.